Hi, I'm Feng Zhou, Vice President of Bugong Software. Bugong is specialized in supply chain integrated collaborative planning and development of supply chain algorithm and modeling. We serve both discrete and process industries, especially the following: consumer products such as Pepsi, equipment manufacturer like Gree, one of the largest manufacturer of air conditioners, and auto parts such as Aptiv, the leading auto electronics provider. Bugong provides the essential capabilities of a control tower, covering from supply chain, factory to shop floor. We do the concurrent planning across demand, supply, planning, scheduling, inventory, and even logistics. To ensure the planning results are executable, all crucial constraints are considered, not only real production capacity, but also material availability, work calendar, human resource, unique processes, and so on. And we run it fast. We are able to do the planning of 5,000 orders in seconds, compared to hours or even days by traditional ways. The global supply chain is becoming more volatile and changing, especially we're still under the threat of COVID-19. And the traditional cascaded approach, such as ERP, has limited capability in managing these complicated realities. And Bugong Concurrent Planning platform empowers our customers the speed of detect and correct events with both prescriptive and predictive analytics. We help our customers to be more agile and absorb the unexpected events in minutes instead of hours or even days by traditional ways. With this ability, our customers is able to greatly improve planning efficiency, enhance delivery rate, and accomplish end-to-end transparency.